demonetized.
Why is it always demonetization with you?
You know.
Stop. Stop. Alright. Starting a new player.
Okay, starting a new recording.
I'm gonna punch you. We're gonna start a new profile on Sons of the Thor Forest. Josh, I'm gonna actually murder you. 100%. Oh, do I have to, like, erase my new game? Oh, there we go.
Oh, there's a clipping texture in the main menu screen here.
Do you want to play hard, peaceful, or hard? We got hard survival, hard, peaceful, or normal, and custom. Actually, what is custom? Oh, wow. You can customize a lot of things.
Yeah.
A lot of
We could
cheats.
do. I was thinking we could do hard, but
Okay.
I'm not that keen on. I assume the difficult. Well, let's do it anyway. Because I think what it's going to be doing is it's going to increase enemy armor, health, and probably like spawn rate or how early they show up.
What did I do to deserve that?
Exist. What do you mean?
I'll do it. So I'm getting real tired of people getting mad at me, IRL. Someone every day recently. I'm sick of it.
Sad boy life. Alright, here we go.
No, annoyed boy. Say one thing wrong and a woman's like you.
You ready?
Yep. I'm going to quickly dispose of my cat really quick. Come here, cat. Get out of here.
That's hilarious. Dispose of my cat. Meow.
She's been sitting in my wham. She was sitting in my lap for a long time and she just started squirming around. Oh, what a trick.
Do you have to, like, ready up or something? Or is it just loading
No.
forever?
I think it's just loading. Well, I guess we can talk about something. So I have a mini fridge tucked away down here.
Yeah.
What should I drink? A water, a monster, or a Del Monte sliced pears can?
You should eat a can, definitely. Get the iron in your diet.
Just start hearing metallic crunching.
God, that makes my skin crawl just thinking about
Yeah.
that. Like nails on a chalkboard
Makes
for
my
me.
teeth crawl.
Yeah, that's, yeah.
I've definitely known some people who would at least depressurize a can by popping their tooth into it.
Oh, why? What? Why? That sounds awful.
I'm sure it is absolutely awful, and I mean, like, so the top of it, they would take the opposite end of the can opener, the built-in can opener, and, like, sort of the position that you would usually do if you're going to take a sip from it, but just do that and then bite down on the edge, and that would... Yeah,
I couldn't.
I'm certain their dental insurance is...
I'm sure they love them.
Yeah.
Get chipped tooth and wearing down your enamel and your teeth and everything. Yeah, I'm sure they have to go
Oh,
to the
yeah.
dentist all the time. It's like chewing ice. I am pretty sure that's bad for you, but I mean people still do it.
Yeah, that's my hygiene plan. I rip up. I chew cans and eat steel wool.
That sounds
Yeah.
awful.
I am the consumer.
You're the trash man. You throw trash on the
The
stage and eat it.
biomass, man. Just turn everything into... Yeah.
Alright, so there's been... you said there was a decent amount of updates in the game since we last played.
I think at least 2 major ones. Major, and then like... And then a handful of itty-bitty ones.
There's a raft down there.
I was just thinking of that. Just thinking of that.
What about the raft?
Itty bitty ditty committee. Demonetized.
Puffton.
I am still in the loading screen, I think. Oh, there we go. It's actually done something now. Sons of the Forest, but other than, like, cannibal tribes that are crazed humans, it's actually just very normal indigenous people.
That we will most likely be slaughtering.
The opening cutscene is you flying in on the helicopter. Just shooting at it from above. The Firebird.
Bro, that's insult to injury.
Oh, I just realized the T in the of Sons of the Forest is wonky.
Wonk.
It's like tilted like 2 or 3 degrees.
Does that mess with your OCD?
Mm-mm.
Also, I don't get the
No,
point of
I
the
just
spy
noticed
coming
that.
over here to knock you out after you've already been knocked out. And then
Yeah.
don't we, like, not see them again for, like, the majority of the game?
Granted, I think there's some
The hell?
context cutscenes and stuff that we either skipped somehow or wasn't in the game because it's still in development, of course.
Are you chopping down trees, or is there just random
No,
shit falling down behind
I
me?
just loaded in.
I just heard a tree fall down somewhere near me.
Oh, I can see your... That's interesting. I'm in the loading cutscene, or in the opening cutscene, and I can see your tag down in the forest already.
Oh, that's weird.
I wonder if that means that this is a real thing happening in the game then, and you could see this happening. I'm above the buoy right now.
Well, buoy. I'm not... I don't see... I don't think it is something that you can just see.
Yeah. I can definitely see your tag on a fixed point of the map. Yes, to skip.
Open.
Oh no, we're crashing. Oh, we're in the water, or on the ground or something. Oh, there's a guy. Oh, he kicked me.
Oh,
I'm a
there's your tag. My sensitivity's way too high.
Oh, I'm quitting the game.
Why?
I'm black.
What am I hearing? Oh, it's Kelvin.
Is it Kelvin writhing around on the ground?
Get up, buddy. Best character in the game. Although I don't know why he stays loopy the entire game. I understand he's definitely got some ear damage. Is it brain damage?
I would assume that's some sort of canonical thing. Because, okay, so, well, it could also just be that he's a quirky guy, but, I would assume that he hit his head or something on the way down, and that was kind of it. How do I, oh yeah.
I forget how you hotkey stuff.
You go into your inventory, mouse over it, push the number button.
Ah, yes, thank you. Okay, just gonna, what? I'm already seeing a ton of things. Wow, grenades already? Don't mind if I do. The savages will never see it coming. Some huge rocks. God damn. I don't even remember there being rocks this big in the game.
I
That
don't remember
changed.
what movie that was from. The what? Oh.
These gigantic rocks.
These are always in. You can build bases out of them.
My sensitivity still feels incredibly high.
Dead fish? What am I looking at?
And again,
Oh, that's
my
a rock.
DPS is
Weirdly smooth rock.
breathing. There we go.
Ouch. Those are bad.
Ooh, perfect. I'm trying to die.
Actually, it probably is good to collect them, because I think you can... Oh, I wonder if one of the quote-unquote arrow upgrades is poisonous tips.
Oh, is there new arrow types?
The, like, brief title of the update was New Blueprints, New Cave, and New Arrow Upgrades.
Ooh. You know I love arrows in this game, especially.
Yeah.
Far Cry, Sons of the Forest.
Far Cry.
I like any game that has bows, even though there's tons of guns in the game.
Like Far Cry and what was your favorite weapon in Far Cry? Just the bow?
I like shit. I forget the fucking name of it because I'm not really good with names of guns.
Automatic, semi-auto?
It was a semi-auto long rifle. I can't remember which one though.
Oh, bolt action or semi?
Semi, not bolt.
Okay, I don't know
Oh.
them. I didn't play with those too often. My absolute favorite was the MG40. That was a big machine gun.
Yeah, I remember
super
that.
high rate of fire.
Maybe we should play Far Cry 5 and then New Dawn again.
Maybe. It's been a long time. And I haven't at all touched it since then.
Wow, my health is super low.
Yeah. Take some nummy pills. Yum yum. What is this? Diabetes pills? These'll heal me anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna run over to this cave that's right next to us really quick and see if this is the one that gets us started or if it's a different one. Because I know we essentially have to start by going into one specific cave, and I think that's the one for the zip line, and then we go to different caves to use the zip line, and that brings us to the shovel. And then the shovel is kind of where the game begins.
Yo.
Ooh, look at those colors. I cranked up my gamma, which was not brightness, the gamma, and now there's actually some pretty cool color present here. Oh, I really like that. I like it when games. Oh, I also changed my what style of color was present. I set it to the blockbuster mode.
Oh,
I
yeah?
think this is the cave that we get started in. That's new. Is that new? These dangly things?
Hmm. I do not know. We should probably cook something before we head down, maybe.
Maybe.
How do I keep forgetting
Meat.
buttons. Guidebook.
We can also go do something else first before we get started in this cave if you wanted.
No. Let's not. Why not? I mean,
Okay. I'm going to make a Molotov in advance.
don't have to, like, equip them. Yeah, I think that's how that went. Yeah. Do you need food?
Not yet.
I have 4.
Okay. I guess you could cook an extra one and take it with.
I'm gonna eat 2, and then 2 will be for whatever needs
Did you
it.
start with low food?
No. I have low
Oh,
health,
okay.
though. I am literally one shot.
Okay.
I'm at, like, a quarter bar of health. I don't know about you.
I sniffed some pills, so I'm doing alright
Do
now.
I have pills? I have pills. I should probably do that. Sniffed some
Ouch.
pills.
No. Oh wow,
Is
those
this
do
down? I can't tell.
a lot of damage. We might not.
Can you even see down there?
Yeah, I can. Ouch. Ouch, that hurts. Ouch. Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, that is a lot.
I think that one's dead. Here, demon. Here.
Hmm.
Come, do the armor dupe thing with me here. And get us some armor to start with.
What do you mean? Doesn't really work on the big guys?
No, you might not know about this actually. Me and Eagle discovered this. So mouse over until you see the, is that even a thing anymore? You're supposed to be able to skin them and take one thing of creeping armor.
That's with the bigger guys. These are just normal dudes who you have to burn to get their bones. You're talking about
That
the Virginias that you have to skin.
no. So it used to be. So there's the normal cannibals up top that you only get bones from, and then these guys you could skin and take one thing of creepy armor from. But for the larger enemies, the mutants, they give you 2.
I'm pretty sure, because I played this with you when it first came out with Eagle, that's not how that was.
Well,
Where did all of the bones go?
I think it all immediately clipped through the map.
Of course.
Bruh.
Alright. Hmm.
I might go down here. I don't know. Oh, yep, I went down over here. Someone snuck up on me. Bastard. One of them is super low. Thank you.
I'm one shot, so.
Yeah.
Fucking
Almost
weird
whacked the hell
motherfuckers.
out of you. Yeah.
Oh. I'm down.
Damn. Pow.
I have armor on, but it's just not doing anything.
I already have armor.
Well, I did. I don't know where to. Nope. Okay. Hey, hard mode's hard.
Yeah. Only a little bit. Okay, I'm getting you. Pow. It's kind of nice that we can just.
I immediately went down again.
We can just run up, do the E thing, and then run away again. Like you're not stuck in an animation.
I am stuck in an animation because as soon as I get up, I die.
I just died as well.
Okay.
All right.
It'd be nice if you had invincibility while your character is quite literally getting up, but you know.
Mhm.
Oh, what am I stuck in?
I have no idea where we're gonna be at here.
Be cool if you could
Sure,
take
you
on
get
this.
your. Oh, I kind of know where this is. Actually, yeah.
C4 time.
Actually, I think this is a fair amount of progress into the same cave we were just in.
Yo, I exploded it.
Hold on, I'll be over there in just a second.
Your music. Oh, couldn't you pick up? Can't you pick up radios now?
Yes, yes, you can. I might have. Stun lock, stun lock, stun lock, stun lock, stun lock. Yes.
I think.
You're right.
Oh, there's a finger maiden over here.
No, what? Oh.
Okay, this is
Stun
one
lock,
of those
stun lock,
guys that
stun
I
lock,
think
stun
you
lock.
can get the shit from.
This one that we just marked, or the bone monster ahead of us?
It's still breathing. Stop breathing. Hi, hello. Yeah, this thing.
Stun him?
I don't know. I guess.
The hell? Ouch.
Yeah, there's a guy behind
Out of
me.
my way.
Oh, hey, I died.
Yeah, they're pretty rank.
We're gonna be dying a lot during this.
I got you up.
I'm gonna get hit before I can move. Oh, yep.
I tried to run past them again. Okay, I'm dead again. I wish they couldn't just
Hit you while
wish
you're
there was
getting up.
more that, and I wish that they could swing slower. Like they didn't have the attack animations that were so quick. Or at the very least they did way less damage other than the full amount.
I just think being able to attack us, we're right back where we were. I think being able to attack us while we're getting up is a little bullshit.
Yeah.
Where are you at? Come here.
Behind you.
Ooh!
No.
I'm dead.
Do you want to try to just run past all of them?
I mean, we could. I'm just gonna revive. Fucking probably in the same
Okay.
spot.
Excuse me, dumbass.
Ugh.
Ooh, lower. Yep. Don't care. Ooh, that was close. Turned off the radio by accident. Oh, that's a new animation. Interesting. So, the shared butt monster just crawled out of the ground.
What?
The shared butt just crawled out of the ground. Like a mole.
That's awful.
Yep.
Fetus babies. Some weird motherfucker praying or something.
Ooh, juked, dumbass.
Asshole needs to learn to stop following me. Damn, you went far already.
Yep. Be careful of the narrow pathways that I've taken. The enemies might be all jammed up in there and may have a hard time getting around them. Or over them. Remember, there's a bullshit route somewhere.
Yep, okay. Yeah, there's just a finger fucker in the middle of the hallway that I can't get through, so... And he hit me twice so fast that I really couldn't even do much.
Want me to come back?
I don't think I'm going to be able to get through, honestly.
Damn! Miss, dumbass. One of these routes is the correct way.
Okay. Scared the fuck out of me.
This is optional. Okay, good.
Hmm.
Miss, dumbass. You suck, you're stupid.
Come on, Zach. I don't know where I am.
Go, zipline. I'm gonna come back toward you.
I'm kind of just getting lost in the cave.
Okay.
Seeing where it takes
Ouch.
me.
Get the hell out of here now.
So what'd you end up getting?
The zipline.
Aw. I want zipline. Zipline's my favorite item.
Yeah. I like how they, actually went places with it, you know?
What do you mean?
Actually did some cool stuff. I mean, I think... I don't know. I guess what I'm trying to say is, it's a good feature.
I
It
found the
adds a
cross.
lot of... Yeah, that's way back though.
Okay.
That's at the beginning of the cave. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 can be one of the guns. 5 is the cross. 6 will be something else. Oh, you can. Oh. You can, pick up one of the radios. I have one in my inventory.
That's what I was saying.
I didn't. Oh, I thought you meant, like, pick them and hold them like a rock. One of the larger rocks.
I remember seeing an update where they're like, yeah, you can pick up our radios now.
Yeah, where am I? Not that far off.
Let's see if I can get back to where you were.
Up and out of that cave? Or all the way through?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get across the zip line.
Okay.
You guys follow me for way too long.
Yeah, they do.
Baba
The
Wee.
first game they had like a much shorter disconnect range. That cave is pretty linear. There's not too many optional routes. There's two. There's nothing major, those two optional routes. There was an arrow, a little bit of ammo. But if you have some time and you're not being chased by stuff too much so, you can, the first optional route is a gold pathway. It has like some gold around the sides of the caveway. And then there's a second route that, I don't remember for sure. Actually, that's the other way around. The optional route is the way that isn't the gold.
I just managed to get past the way that I couldn't get through, so.
Okay. Is that good?
That's the gold.
Oh, that's weird. Not seen that before.
Ammo. Missing CEO.
Huh. Cut these?
Cut what's?
Doesn't look like it. There's a bunch of hanging skeletons out here by their feet. I've not seen this before. Just out in the outdoors here.
Well,
Oh, you
maybe.
know what? I wonder if there's some new things that get added or changed if you're playing on higher difficulties.
That's possible.
That'd be a cool adaptive thing. It's like, ooh, you're playing on hard mode. We're gonna throw in some more spooky skeletons and stuff around.
I can't tell if I'm going the right way anymore. I am going the right way. Okay, good. I'm also being chased by gigantic motherfuckers.
Yep. So much.
Go
Meanwhile,
away.
I'm just fucking picking flowers out here.
Please leave me alone. I just want to get around you, buddy. I just want to get around you. Oh! That hurt. So, we have a couple of survival things above our health and our stamina. What is the one the way top left? Because mine says 2 on it, and I don't know what that's supposed to mean.
That's your strength level. It's the little arm with the muscle.
Right, but mine just says 2. Do we ever figure out what that actually does?
I believe it's correlated to damage. Like, higher levels, it's more noticeable that you're doing more damage. And then, I assume, like, more efficiency at, like, cutting down trees and stuff.
Stamina usage reduction.
Yeah.
Alright, well, I'm coming your way.
Did you make it out of there?
I did.
Okay. You got the zip line?
I did.
I did not.
Imagine. Where is... There it is, 5.
Meet up somewhere and set up a little tent. Oh,
It is
fireflies.
dark as hell. There's fireflies.
Brew. That's cool.
Should probably set up somewhere with fresh water nearby. If we're
Right
gonna...
next to me is a big pond.
Sounds good.
Fuck am I hearing? Oh, it's a frog.
Oh, there's fireflies, yo.
I heard a frog make noise and I thought that's a new monster or something, but no, that's just me.
But you're actually really far from me, which I don't
Am
get
I?
how.
No, that's not too bad. There's a river between us. Did you want to meet there?
Good.
Or you're at it?
Am I?
It looks like it anyway.
Can't see shit, so.
Yeah, your icon is
Nah,
on the
I'm
edge
gonna
of the
come.
beach.
I'm gonna come to where you're at.
Okay.
I like your location better.
What's that? Why is there a light over there? That's just a visual bug. That's the sun setting on the other side of the mountain.
Oh, I see that.
How do I, some blueberries here. There we go. What's your timer at?
37.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, I'll probably. Didn't get a lot done besides getting the thing, but I'll stop this one here for now.
Yeah.
I think we should get set up in the next episode, making a house and stuff with Kelvin.
Okay.
Kelvin! Kelvin!
That
Hi, buddy.
thing is really bright.
Yeah, it is. It is really bright. Alright, Kelvin, say goodbye. I was hoping you had, like, emotes or something.
California girls were undeniable.